welcome to my Easter themed ballet class. If you're new to the channel and haven't danced with me before, my name's Miss Hannah and I run Stardust Dance Academy in Cambridge. If you have danced with me before, welcome back, and I really hope you all enjoy my Easter themed ballet class today. Lovely, so we're going to start our class with sleeping bunnies, which I bet loads of you at home know. So we're going to rock side to side and we're going to mime sleeping. And then the music says, wake up little bunnies, and we're going to do some jumps or some hops on one foot to make sure we are nice and warm. So pop your feet in first position and let's go with the music.
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon.
Good, everyone. That's it, point those toes. And
still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies.
are you ready? Can you jump or you can hop on one foot? Good job. Back to sleep.
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we
Beautiful, everyone.
every tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies.
Good. Can you skip this time? Lift up your knees nice and high. Beautiful. Let's go round our rooms. Lovely. And go the other way. Good job, everyone. Back to first position. And
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies.
Can you jump?
Bunnies, jump, jump, jump.
Good. Keep those feet together and point those toes.
Jump, 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 jump.
Good. Now on one foot. Can you hop?
Little bunnies, hop, hop, hop.
Good job. Well done, ballerinas. So next we're going to do a fun dance all about the Easter Bunny. So we're going to pop our hands on our waist, and the song says the Easter Bunny goes thump, thump, thump. So we're going to stamp our foot. Very good. Then the Easter Bunny goes jump, jump, jump. And I want you to jump as high as you can, stretching those toes. Good. Then the Easter Bunny's ears. Can you make bunny ears like mine? And they go flop, flop, flop. Good job, everybody. Let's give all of that a try with some music. So standing nice and tall. Very good. Are you ready? We're going to do our Easter Bunny thumping. So we stamp our foot, tied up nice and tall. Ready? Thump, thump, thump. Jump. Show me those ears. Stamp, jump. Good. Big sunshine. And a rainbow tail on your tiptoes. Let's try that again. Ready? Stamp. Hands on your waist. And jump. Ears. Good stuff. Jump. Show me your jumps as high as you can. Great job, everyone. Now our next Easter themed dance is all about an Easter parade. So in lots of places all over the world, people celebrate Easter by having parades out in the street. So we're going to start by holding our dress or with our hands on our waist. And we're going to do 4 big marches. Good, that's it. And then up on your toes, Now can you tiptoe? Walk on your toes all the way round. Lovely. And then show me your big marches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up on your toes. And round the other way. Fabulous. Let's see if we can do that first little bit of the dance with the music. Good, so heads up nice and tall. You can hold your dress or hands on your waist. Bend and stretch. Good, so a little plie in parallel position. Good, knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, round. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Round. Good. Well done, everybody. So we're going to finish in first position and we're going to take 2 demi-pliés. Bend and stretch, bend and stretch. Then in the song they say clapping their hands. So we're going to clap our hands to the music. Good. And then a big open and down. Repeat, plie and stretch, plie and stretch. And then we're going to do a lovely big circle and paint a rainbow. Fabulous. Well done, everybody. Shall we see if we can do all of that from the very beginning? So pop your feet in parallel position. Good. You can hold your dress, heads up nice and tall. Let's do our pliés. Bend and stretch. Good. Are you ready? Knees up. And round on your toes. Lovely. And again, up. Keep those heads up nice and tall. Up. Ready to plie. Bend, stretch. Clap your hands. Clap. Good. And again, bend and stretch. Ballerina arms. Beautiful. Well done, everybody. Now, next in the song, they sing about a marching band. So pop your hands on your waist and we're going to march to the side, lifting our knees really high. March to the side. Good. And then can you go the other way? Lovely big high knees. One more time. Lift up those knees. And then they say, but where is the Easter Bunny? So we're going to put our hands out. And can you look side to side for the Easter Bunny? Good job, everybody. Well done. Let's see if we can do our whole Easter parade dance from the beginning. Lovely. So parallel feet, heads up tall, hands on your waist or hold your dress, bend and stretch. Good. Are you ready for those marches? 1, 2, 3, 4, up and round. Good. Again, knees up. Lovely high marches. Round. First position. Bend and stretch. Clap your hands. Clap. And again. Bend and stretch. Make a lovely circle. Marching band. Good. Other way. And one more time. And jump to the front. Good. Knees up. On your toes. And again. Up. Good job, everyone. Ready for those pliés. Bend and stretch. Clap your hands. Clap. Lovely. Bend and stretch. Make a circle. Here are our marches and knees up. Good. Lovely. Keep those knees nice and high. Jump to the front. Good job. Knees up. We're going to run round this time. Ready? Run. Lovely ballet runs. Up. Even faster on your toes. Run. Wow. Plie. Bend and stretch. Clap those hands. Clap. Beautiful plie. Stretch.
Hurry, children, oh what a happy day.
Wonderful dancing so far. Great job, everyone. Now our next dance is about a rabbit that lots of you might already know, and it is Peter Rabbit. So we're going to start nice and tall, and we're going to start with 2 stretched feet. Out and in. And the other one, out and in. Good job. Then when you hear the man start to sing, he says, little Peter Rabbit has a fly upon his nose. That's it. Can you do it with me? So bend and stretch, flap your wings, and then tap your nose. Good job. And then we take our arms out and we shake our head side to side. Wonderful. And then there's a butterfly that comes and lands on his nose. Then there's a spider that lands on his knee. Very good. And there's an elephant that lands on his toes. So will you follow along with me and the music for the Peter Rabbit dance? Ready to plie. Bend and stretch. Fly on his nose. Good.
Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Little Peter Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. So he flipped it and
Shake your head.
but it wouldn't go away.
Good. Rock.
Poor little
Can you show me
Peter
lovely
Rabbit.
ballerina arms?
Poor little Peter
Beautiful.
Rabbit.
And a big sunshine.
Poor little
And a
Peter
rainbow.
Rabbit. So he flipped it and he flopped it, but it wouldn't go away.
Good. Very good. We're going to go again. This time it's a butterfly.
Little Peter
Ready? A
Rabbit
butterfly
had a
on his chin. Good.
Little Peter Rabbit had a
Butterfly on his chin.
Little
Very
Peter
good,
Rabbit
everyone.
had a butterfly on his chin. So he shooted and he shooted, but it wouldn't
Are you
go
ready?
away.
Rock.
Poor little Peter
Beautiful.
Rabbit. Poor little Peter Rabbit.
And show me those arms.
Poor little Peter Rabbit. So he flipped it and he flopped it, but it wouldn't
Can you
go
show me
away.
toes? Out and in. Out. Ready to plie.
Little Peter Rabbit had a spider
On his knee. Good. Point your toes and then touch your knee. Good
Little
job.
Peter Rabbit had a spider on his knee. So he flicked it and he flicked it, but it wouldn't go
Are you
away.
ready? Rock.
Poor little Peter Rabbit.
Lovely, everyone.
Poor little Peter Rabbit.
Show me that lovely sunshine.
Poor little
And a
Peter
rainbow.
Rabbit. So he flipped it
Shake
and
your
he
head.
flipped it, but it wouldn't go
Good.
away.
Toes. Out and in. Out. Very good.
Little
Plie.
Peter Rabbit had an elephant
Point
on
your
his
toe.
nose. Little
Good.
Peter Rabbit had an elephant
Point
on
to your
his
toe.
Little Peter Rabbit had an elephant on his toes. So he pushed it and he pushed it, but it wouldn't go away.
Rock.
Poor little Peter Rabbit.
Beautiful.
Poor little Peter
Ready for your
Rabbit.
sunshine. Up
Poor little
and
Peter Rabbit. So he pushed it and he pushed it, but it wouldn't go away.
lovely. Well done, everybody. Now, seeing as this is our very special Easter class, we are going to do some jumping. So if you want to, you can pretend you are a little bunny rabbit with your paws or with your ears, or you can put your hands on your skirt or on your waist. But I want to see you jump really high. So feet together, we're going to do 2 slow jumps really high. 1, 2. Good job. Practice with me. Then we're going to do 3 quick jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. So 2 slow and then 3 fast. Then we're going to do some very special jumps to the side. So we're going to go up, 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 up. Lovely. And then turn on your toes. Other way. Up, 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 up. And then turn on your toes. Good job, everyone. Let's try all of that with music. And remember to keep your feet together. Ready? High, high. Now quick. 1, 2, 3. Again. Slow, slow, quick. To the side. Up, up. 10. Good, and again, up, up. Good. Should we try all again? Jump higher, high, high. Good, keep those feet together. To the side. And turn. Lovely. Wonderful, well done everybody. Okay, now I want to see who can be the biggest star shape. So can you stretch your arms and stretch your legs really big? Good job, and then give yourself a lovely big cuddle. And now let's see who can be the tallest. So can you stretch your fingers to the ceiling? Very good, and can you go up on your toes? Fabulous, and let's see those lovely big star shapes again. Reach out nice and big. Wonderful. Good job, everyone. And give your hands and your feet a little shake. Wonderful. And let's do our lovely ballerina curtsies or bows. So feet in first position, heads up nice and tall. And step to the side, curtsy or bow. Step to the side, curtsy or bow. Give yourselves a big clap. You were amazing today. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in my Easter-themed ballet class today, everyone. I really hope you've enjoyed the class. If you have, drop me a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful Easter and I hope to dance with you again. Bye, everyone.